Hi, I'm Kat. I work in marketing at Altro, and I've got Roger Moore with me today from our technical services department. We've had lots of inquiries coming through, so Roger's going to do his best to answer some of the questions that we've got. So the question we have today is, how do I work with Altro Whiterock in a temporary installation?
Hiya, Kat. Yes, you could put our Whiterock into these sort of areas. Obviously, you'd have the loose lay flooring down first, and then there would obviously have to be a partition walls that are put up, because if they've got beds, it'll be such an open space, they're going to divide it up into wards or rooms. I don't know what they're going to do, what ideas they've got, but there would have to be stud walls built first, and then we could install our Whiterock to it. Thinking about different ways of installing it for quickness, it would have to be used with tape or with spray glue, totally against what we would recommend for a normal installation. But this is not a normal installation, this is an emergency, so this is totally against what Altro would say, but it could be done with you know, because it's only temporary for 2 or 3 months. We could use it, you know, with spray glue. And we would also recommend that using a 2-part joint strip as well would be quick and easy, because you wouldn't need then to have flooring tools like a welder and things like that. It can be done really quick.
Fantastic. So really it's having some sort of temporary wall that the Whiterock would then go on top of, because obviously the Whiterock's going to be a lot easier to clean than some of the stud walls that might be put up. But ultimately, it's really kind of doing what we normally wouldn't want you to do, but for this situation, then it's worth doing to make it a quick and easy thing. That's great. Thanks, Roger. And if you've got any more questions, then send them into inquiries@altro.com and we'll do our best to answer them.